This facility begins the journey of America's most iconic pickup truck. The arrival of the delivery signals the start of another demanding shift.
The morning routine begins as workers clock in, their badges granting access to the vast industrial complex.
The operator carefully guides the load, guided by precise signals. The workers guide the heavy load, their movements precise and coordinated. The subtle hum of machinery signals the start of another day's work in the vast factory.
The factory awakens, its systems humming to life under the stark glow of new illumination.
Workers prepare for their shift at the PPE checkpoint, a moment of focused routine before the day's work begins. He navigates the factory floor, his every move precise and deliberate.
The relentless cycle of factory work, where even cleanliness is a constant battle against the pervasive dust.
The forklift operator maneuvers a pallet with a slight, almost imperceptible tilt.
The scene is set for the day's work, a quiet moment before the factory's rhythm truly begins.
Every batch begins with a precise verification of incoming materials. The meticulous process of quality control ensures every component meets the highest standard. The precision of the check is paramount, ensuring every component meets exact specifications.
As the beams are braced and polished, the workers ensure that the structure meets the highest standards of precision and cleanliness.
A worker meticulously checks a component under a bright lamp, ensuring quality. A worker meticulously checks a piece, ensuring its perfection before it moves on.
The precise application of RFID tags ensures each component's traceability on the factory floor.
The hum of industry is punctuated by a worker's swift action, a moment of manual correction. The scanner meticulously checks each component, its beam flickering over imperfections.
The gentle hum of passing machinery creates a subtle tremor, barely noticeable by most. A worker meticulously checks a component under a flashing yellow light, the factory's hum a constant backdrop. Cleared materials roll forward, workers guide final pieces, and the conveyor settles into a smooth rhythm.
Each piece moves into position as the system prepares for precise sorting. Items move onto the main belt. A robotic arm prepares to pick a component with a soft suction click. The natural lubrication prep stage ensures optimal component performance.
The air nozzles blast debris, a constant dance of dust and controlled chaos on the factory floor. Automated systems prepare for the intensive cleaning cycle, ensuring optimal performance.
The gauge precisely measures each component, ensuring quality standards are met. Components glide into the preheating chamber, their edges shimmering with warm air.
The steady rhythm of production, where even minor imperfections are noted and addressed. Machine diagnostics display unstable readings as the operator makes adjustments.
Components move onto a sturdier conveyor. Workers ensure precision as the machinery rumbles to life. Precision machining begins as the steel frames enter the CNC zone.
The precision of the machine is juxtaposed with the worker's watchful presence. The relentless precision of the CNC machine transforms raw steel through a ballad of cutting fluid and spinning tools.
The worker uses a magnetic wand to gather stray filings, the filings clustering unevenly.
The CNC machine performs an automated tool switch, a crucial step in its precise operation.
The drill bit descends, carving with unwavering precision, a dance of metal and machine. The clamp shifts the component, aligning it with precision. The worker's keen eye ensures the precision of the micro edge pass. The relentless hum of industry underscores the worker's quiet vigilance. The vacuum hums, clearing the debris with focused efficiency. The laser's sweep meticulously verifies the machined surface's accuracy. Machined components slide onto the transfer conveyor, heading towards the intense heat of the forging zone. The forged steel begins its high-temperature transformation inside the main furnace. The furnace opens, releasing its intense heat as workers carefully load the steel components. Steel emerges, a testament to the heat and the precision of automated labor. The massive press descends, its force rippling through the very air. The stamping cycle begins, a rhythmic pulse of raw power and focused observation.
The immense power of the frame press compresses steel, its vibrations subtly felt throughout the factory floor.
The intense process of cooling forged steel demands precision and resilience against the powerful forces at play.
The relentless cycle of cooling and compression shapes the raw metal.
The thermal finishing stage is crucial for component durability.
The worker meticulously checks the component's reading amidst the factory's rhythmic hum.
The joining process begins as each steel frame enters the controlled welding zone. The intense glow of creation, guided by precise automation and watchful eyes. The precision of the robotic arm and the watchful eye of the worker ensure structural integrity. Precision alignment systems guide the creation of these vital components. The intense ballet of creation, where precision meets raw power.
The scene unfolds with the sounds of precise work, highlighting the delicate balance of manual assembly.
The assembly line hums with a symphony of precision, where man and machine work in tandem. The worker applies precise torque, ensuring each joint meets exact specifications.
Weld integrity is paramount, ensuring every joint meets the highest standards of quality. Weld integrity is paramount, ensuring every joint meets the highest standards of quality.
Metal components generate a fine haze, while a worker steadies an unstable bin against the powerful airflow.
The workers guide the heavy frame with practiced precision towards the assembly zone. The transport cart rolls into the main assembly bay as the conveyor belts stir to life. The core assembly begins as the frame enters the heart of the production line. Workers guide the first set of structural components into place, nudging brackets to align.
The meticulous verification of structural integrity is underway. The motor assembly unit meticulously lowers the engine block, a critical step in the F-150's creation. Here, the subtle inconsistencies of the drivetrain are managed by hand, ensuring flawless performance down the road. The air tool drives home the bolt, a vital step in the assemble process.
Automated nozzles precisely apply lubricant, while a worker ensures perfect application and cleanliness.
The meticulous dance of human hands and automated precision, shaping the future of manufacturing. The delicate process ensures every connection is perfect, a testament to automated precision.
The meticulous process of final assembly torque verification is underway, ensuring peak operational integrity.
The assembled subframe undergoes a crucial preliminary structural test. The frame moves seamlessly onto the finishing conveyor, a testament to precise engineering and skilled hands. Finishing begins as every surface is prepared for precision coating. The assembly line hums with precision as mist settles and gauges tremble. The pristine surface is meticulously crafted, ensuring perfection down to the smallest detail. The operator meticulously buffs the surface, ensuring a flawless finish with every pass. The laser precisely engraves the Ford emblem, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship on the assembly line. The worker meticulously checks the lamp panel, ensuring the hardening finish remains undisturbed. The scanner meticulously checks the panel's surface, a critical step in the quality control process. The careful inspection process reveals the subtle effects of heat and human touch on the assembly line. The tool's abrasion bit meticulously refines the edge, while the worker ensures perfect stability. The process demands precise environmental control for optimal coating adhesion.
The final finishing touch, where human hands ensure perfection before the product moves on.
The newly coated frame approaches the quality control transfer point, its journey monitored closely against the alignment markers. The frame now undergoes a full sequence of structural and electronic testing.
The balance test commences as the frame begins its subtle, controlled tilt.
The F-150 frame endures rigorous road stress simulations on the advanced vibration rig. The F-150 frame endures rigorous stress tests to ensure peak structural integrity.
Software diagnostics run through the onboard systems, with screens showing rapidly shifting status windows.
The meticulous eye of technology, guided by human expertise, ensures structural integrity. The seal test begins, meticulously checking for even the smallest imperfections.
The continuity test unit activates, sending uneven pulses through the wiring harness.
A controlled drop test assesses the durability of the panel under simulated real-world conditions.
The controlled environment ensures optimal material conditioning before assembly.
The packaging line awakens, a symphony of industry preparing for the next stage. The finished components are meticulously wrapped and prepared for shipment, ensuring secure transit. Completed assemblies enter storage before final loading onto outbound trailers.
The forklift's synchronized dance highlights the precision of the warehouse operations.
Inventory scanning continues, screens flickering from interference as workers manage the warehouse flow.
Automated lifts stack finished assemblies,
their steady ascent momentarily interrupted before continuing upward.
Workers prepare outbound pallets, a truck backs up, and a ramp vibrates.
The massive trailer slowly maneuvers, its rear aligning precisely with the raised loading dock bumpers.
The trailer becomes a temporary haven as pallets are carefully maneuvered into place. With focused precision, workers secure the cargo, ensuring each strap is taut and safe for transit.
The inspector's methodical approach ensures every detail is verified before shipment.
The final pallet makes its way to the outbound ramp, a testament to the day's work.
Another day ends as America's best-selling trucks move from factory floor to the open road.